Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I'm Xavier Basumadari. The Delhi High Court is gearing up to deliberate on a petition that seeks to disqualify Prime Minister Narendra Modi from participating in elections for a substantial period of 6 years, filed by lawyer Anand S. Jhondale. The petition alleges that during a recent speech delivered in Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh on April 9th, PM Modi allegedly sought votes for the Bharatiya Janata Party by invoking Hindu and Sikh deities and their respective places of worship.
देंगे और पहले जब उनकी सरकार थी उन्होंने कहा था कि देश की संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है। इसका मतलब ये संपत्ति इकट्ठी करके किसको बांटेंगे? जिनके ज्यादा बच्चे हैं उनको बांटेंगे।
According to the petitioner, such appeals to religious sentiments violate the Model Code of Conduct, which explicitly prohibits the exploitation of religious or caste sentiments for electoral gains. Furthermore, the petition claims that PM Modi's remarks during the said speech were divisive and potentially inflammatory, as they purportedly portrayed certain political parties as favoring Muslims, thereby sowing seeds of discord among different religious and linguistic groups.
घुसपैठियों को बांटेंगे। क्या आपकी मेहनत की कमाई का पैसा घुसपैठियों को दिया जाएगा? आपको मंजूर है ये कांग्रेस का मैनिफेस्टो कह रहा है कि वो माताओं बहनों का सोने का हिसाब करेंगे, उसकी जड़ती करेंगे, जानकारी लेंगे और फिर उस संपत्ति को बांट देंगे और उनको बांटेंगे जिनको मनमोहन सिंह जी की सरकार ने कहा था कि संपत्ति पर पहला अधिकार मुसलमानों का है।
Despite the petitioner's efforts to address these concerns with the Election Commission of India, including requesting the registration of an FIR against the Prime Minister under Section 153A of the Indian Penal Code and advocating for his disqualification from elections, no discernible action was taken by the Commission, prompting the matter to be escalated to the Delhi High Court for further adjudication. This legal challenge underscores the broader debate surrounding the ethical boundaries of political discourse in India, particularly during election campaigns.
भाइयों बहनों, ये अर्बन नक्सल की सोच, मेरी माताओं बहनों, ये आपका मंगलसूत्र भी बचने नहीं देंगे, यहां तक जाएंगे मैं कहने आया हूं।
Where appeals to religious sentiments have historically been a contentious issue, the outcome of this case will not only have significant implications for PM Modi's political future, but could also set precedents regarding the permissible limits of religious rhetoric in electoral campaigns. That's all for today's news. For more such updates, keep watching Eastern Paradigm.
Welcome to Kids World. Located in Kokrajhat town, our preschool has been nurturing young minds since 2014. With dedicated teachers and a personalized curriculum for playground, nursery and KG levels, we ensure your child's developmental needs are met. Safety, security and hygiene are our priorities, offering parents peace of mind. Our spacious campus provides a serene environment for children to thrive.
गोदी में उठाकर उनको प्यार करना, उनको चॉकलेट्स देते हैं और उनके साथ खेलते हैं जब तक। I like about this school is they make the children feel very comfortable.
Enroll today and watch your child blossom into a confident learner at Kids World, where learning meets fun.